Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Odoo for beginners in 2024. Of course, using Odoo for the first time can be a smooth and rewarding experience, thanks to its comprehensive suite of business applications. So here's a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to get started using Odoo. Of course, it's first of all a powerful and open source suite of business application designed to manage your company operations seamlessly, from CRM to e-commerce and a lot of other stuff. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and sign up for Odoo. To do so, go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Basically, just type odoo.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the home screen or main screen of Odoo. As you can see, all your business on one platform. Simple, efficient, and affordable. As you can see, just $7.25 per month for all the apps. And of course, you can even start for free and try things out, and you will have full access to one of their apps for free. If you want to try just one as an example, or if you need just one. Of course, you can try here and click on Imagine without Odoo. So for this, you need QuickBooks, this Notion, etc. So you need to access a lot of different apps for whatever you want. But for Odoo, as you can see, everything on Odoo, you don't have to do a lot of things. Of course, you can view all the apps if you're looking for some specific apps. So, for example, this for websites, you have these apps for sales, you have these apps for finance, for inventory and manufacturing, human resources, for marketing, for services, for productivity, for customization, everything that you want. So, as I said, first of all, we need to go and create an account. So, I'll just go here and click on Try It's Free to create our account first of all. As you can see, choose your apps, free instant access and no credit card required. As you can see, you'll have to choose the apps that you want. So let me just go. As you can see, if I click on multiple apps, so as you can see, the limit that I have to try for free for 15 days is 10 apps. But as an example, let me just lower those apps as an example to two apps. As you can see, if I want to use just two apps, I'll get those two apps free with unlimited users forever. As you can see, I don't even have to pay. So I don't have to pay for anything if I want to use just two apps as an example. Isn't that very, very great? So Odoo actually is a very good website that you want to use, especially if you're looking as example to use just one of two apps will be great for you. You can use, as I said, even up to 10 apps, but with just 15 days free trial. As you can see, when I just do here like two apps, they tell me, oh, the free trial. Why? Because some apps, an example, will require from you to have free trial, but that's depend on the app that you choose. So, for example, if I choose e-commerce and invoicing, as you can see, I'll get it free. But if I choose e-commerce with sales, as you can see, they'll tell me to get 15 days free trial. After that, of course, I'll have to start paying. But if I choose just one app, no matter what the app, I'll get it for free, no matter what was the app. So keep that in mind. So here, as we said, we'll have to choose an app to start with. Of course, you can start with the free trial on 10 apps at maximum, or just choose the two that suits you, or one if you want to use it free forever. And once you choose it, of course, depending, of course, on your business needs, like you can select the app that you want to install. For beginners, you can start with some basic apps like CRM as an example. Maybe sales also, or something like an inventory or something like that. So you can start with something like that depending on whatever you want specifically, as I said. And accounting, of course, is a good idea also if you want to. You'll be able to do that for accounting if you want. And you can always add more apps later as your business grows, as an example. So let me just go here and just go and click on choose website. So then I'll click on continue here. Once I click on continue, as you can see, I'll be taken here. So I'll have to fill up my information starting from my first name and last name as an example. As an example, I'll just do here like that. And then I'll have to fill up my email, then my website's name. So I'll just name it Omics. And then I'll have to add my phone number, language, and country. Then click on start now. As you can see, Odoo is a breath and fresh air, and the only competitor I could find that fits into the new age of management software. So the price difference is incredible. It was 75% less than competitors. I was shocked. So just click here on start now to create an account. So welcome to Odoo. As you can see, we already getting started with the app that we choose. For me, I chose one app, so I'll be able to use it for free. I'll have all access to it and I'll be able to use it for free, as you can see. So because for me, I choose websites, so they'll tell me, of course, here, if you're ready to build the perfect website. So we'll set you up running 4 steps. I'll click on let's start and do it. I want, as an example, a blog. As an example here, what do you want the blog to be about? So as an example, I'll just choose here clothes or something like that. So clothes markets. My main objective is, as an example, inform customers or something like that. Choose the things that you want. I'll just choose this. Add some pages that you want. So I'll just add and use about us, an example. Yeah, that's it. I'll click then on my build my website. Here I'll have to choose the theme. So as an example, I like this theme, so I'll choose that. And as you can see, they're creating my website. As you can see. So as you can see, Odoo is actually very, very good. That's because I choose websites. For you, if you choose any other thing, they will set you up to do whatever you want. So as an example here, because for me, I choose the app of full website. That's going to be my website. All I need to do is simply answer some few questions, give it a name, and yeah, that's my website, omex.odoo.com. As simple as that. So all I need to do simply here, as you can see, your database expires in 3 hours. To keep database running, use activation link sent to your email. So because I just created my account, so I'll just go here to my Gmail example and click on Odoo Online, click on activate my database. And as you can see, I'll have here to choose a password. So I'll go and create this one. Then I will simply just enter that password, click and activate your database, and I should be good to go. So you can even invite some colleagues if you want to. For me, I'll just go and skip that. And as you can see, all done. So I'll just go to my website and here I am, ready to do everything that I want. As I said, for me, I choose like websites. For you, if you choose any other thing, you can start doing it. Of course, you'll be able to start choose the app and using it, configure the settings of the app, explore the dashboard as an example of that. As an example, so if I go here to apps, I can also go here to settings, access settings, go to apps, add some apps as you can see. So for me, I choose websites. I can install any other app that I want, depending on what I want. But of course, I might have to pay for the plan if I want to add multiple apps, if I want to use a lot. So that's going to be it for me today. For you, I'll let you buy your own, of course, just explore all of that depending on whatever you want. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.